Hi everyone. Sometimes we want to create a scene where we need multiple objects to track a single object. Today, in this quick and exciting tutorial, I will show you how to use geometry nodes to make objects track or follow another object. I have taken a simple object in Blender, and as you can see, this is Blender 3D viewport. Now let's open our geometry node editor. So click new, and here is the node tree. As you can see, there is a group output and there is a group input. Press Shift A, search grid, and place this grid node anywhere you find suitable. This will not connect to the output node. Press Shift A and search for instance on point node and add it between the input and output node. Now connect geometry to instances, points to mesh, and connect the instances to geometry output. In grid node, adjust the X and Y to have a nice grid of objects. As you can see here, it's totally up to you how many objects you adjust here. Now we will use vector math magic to make every instance react to the position of a target object. Press Shift A, search vector math node, add a vector math node and set it to subtract. Now again press Shift A, look for a position node and connect it to the bottom input of the vector math. For adding an object to whom the grid will follow, go to 3D viewport and press Shift A and add a UV sphere. Drag the sphere from the scene collection into the geometry node editor to get the object info node there. Here you can see the sphere's location point and connect it to top input of the vector math node. This will subtract the position of each point from the target, giving us the direction of the vector. Now we will align each object to face the direction of the sphere. First of all, press Shift A and look for Align Euler to vector node. Now connect output of vector math to vector input of Align Euler to vector node and its output rotation to input rotation on instance on points node. Now every instance is locked onto the sphere. Move it anywhere and everything reacts in real time. You can also make the sphere follow a curved path by using these steps so that it follows a circular motion, and wherever the sphere moves, the grid will follow its path. Hope you enjoyed it.